Right, I'm out here with the Eachine EX4 and I'm going to try to do a range test. This is supposed to be the upgraded version that's supposed to go 3 kilometers, so we'll give it a try. I'll hit record and take off. I'll get it up 400 feet and then take it straight out. Okay, I made it over 1,000. Just keep pushing forward. 80% battery. So I'm losing FPV. I still see my distance going, and I'm at 1,600 meters. I have no obstacles. Hoping not. So it's going to come back here in a minute. Might have found it for a second. I'm going to hit record again. Still see my distance. Might be returning home. Yeah, it's coming home. Okay, so I was able to go right around 1,700 meters. It advertised the new, for the new upgrade to go 3 kilometers. I was able to go a little over 1.5. Right, so I'll just go ahead and let it return, see when the FPV comes back in, or if it comes back in. Looks like it's trying. Lost FPV all the way, so I'll probably have to, oh, there it goes, came back in at 1,300. So even though it says it goes 3 kilometers, I don't have any obstructions here, and I was only able to go 1.5, maybe 1.7 kilometers. All right, leave your comments below what you think of this drone. If you've gotten it to go further, put a link down at the bottom. and so we can see it going further than I was able to get it. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.